Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build user tables in Supabase for no-code apps step by step clearly. First, log into your Supabase account. Select the project where you want to activate build user tables. Navigate to the table editor from the left sidebar. Click on the new table button at the top right corner. Name your table, for instance, users. Define your columns, starting with an ID field as a UUID type. Make sure to set ID as the primary key. Next, create a username column using the text type. Add an email column, also in text format, for user email addresses. Include a password column, choosing the text type. If you want to track user creation, add a created_add column using the timestamp type. Now, toggle the Allow Row Level Security option, then, navigate to the Policies section to set permissions. Click on New Policy to create rules for your user table. Define the policy name, such as Allow Authenticated Users. Set the policy's action to Insert. Select your user table under the Table dropdown. In the Using Expression field, input a condition like auth.role equals authenticated. Save the policy to ensure only authenticated users can insert data. Repeat the policy creation process for select, update, and delete actions as needed. Once your table and policies are in place, navigate back to the table editor. You can then properly test the setup by adding users. Use the SQL editor to run a test insert query. Check for any errors in the response to ensure everything is functioning correctly. With your user table and policies configured, you now have a foundation for your no-code app. Congratulations, you've successfully activated build user tables in Supabase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.